Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. For this one, we need to find about complementary solutions and particular solutions. So I will put about yc, that is about e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. So when we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that we need to do first the derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. Now we go to second derivative of yc, and we got lambda square e to the power of lambda s. So because this is about complementary solutions, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one go in here, and this one go in here. So e to the power of lambda s, we can do about factorization. So we need to find the solution of this one in here. And we put negative number 1 go to the right. So we have lambda equals to number 1 and lambda equals to negative number 1. So in this one we have yc, that is about c number 1. We have the constant number 1 e to the power of s. Because we put number 1 and negative number 1 go in here, that's why we have e to the power of 1s, and we have c number 2 e to the power of negative s. Now let's go to particular solutions. We can see that we have s and sine s. So I will put about yb, that is about 8s plus b sine s plus c cosine s. Now if we do first the derivative of yb, so this one we have number 1, so we have 8. This one we have cosine s. This one we have negative sine s. Now if we go to second derivative of yb, this one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have negative b sine s. This one that is about cosine s. Now we have this one. So I will put this one go in here, and this one go in here. So we have like this. Negative will change the sign of this one. Now we can simplify. And we know that this one equals to this one. So in this situation, we can see that this one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. So negative 8 equals to number 1. Number 1 equals to negative 2b. So because we don't have cosine x, so c equals to number 0. So this one we have 8 equals to negative 1 over 2. And b equals to, this one equals to negative number 1. And b equals to negative number 1 over number 2. So I will put a, b, go in here. So a equals to negative number 1. b equals to negative 1 over 2. So we have y equal to yc plus yb. Yc, that is about c number 1 e to the power of s plus c number 2 e to the power of negative s. Yb, that is this one. So in this situation we have the conditions. So when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 3. So we put number 0 going in here. And this one you got number 0. Now if we do first the derivative of y, so we have like this. Now we put number 0 go in here. So I will put this one go to the left. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 over 2. And we have 13 over number 2. And now we create the system of equation. So we have c number 1 plus c number 2. So this one, that is about number 3. And we have the second one. Now we need to find the solutions of c number 1 and c number 2. We have 19 over number 4. And the next one, that is about negative number 7 over number 4. So I will put this one go back to here. So we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.